Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about at the hardware store. Let's go.
What's that tool called again? Nurkati.
I love this question. This is today's challenge. Can you guess first?
Yes. Debbie and I play a game. I describe a situation. You guess the word first.
You can shout the answer in your car or on the bus. Just maybe not too loud.
Please don't get strange looks. Are you ready, Debbie? I think I can beat you today.
Oh, I don't think so, Leo. I have my Earl Grey tea. My mind is very awake this morning.
Okay, I have my coffee, so I'm ready too. Let's do this. First word is coming up.
I am listening now. I am ready to win. Let's start the game. Go on then.
Okay, you need to buy a hammer and some paint. So you go to a special shop for these things?
Oh, I know this. It is a big shop. It sells things for the house and garden. It's a hardware store. That's H-A-R-D-W-A-R-E store. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. You got it so fast. A hardware store is a shop. It sells things for home projects. You are too fast. I thought you would say a big shop. You knew the right name.
I am very good at this game. I went to a hardware store last month to buy a plant pot.
Oh, that's true. I was there last week. The traffic was so bad. I needed a new key cut.
Good tip for everyone. Store is American. In the UK, we often just say shop.
Okay, next one. In a hardware store, you buy all these things. Hammers or screwdrivers, drills.
Thinking. This is the word for all those items. It's their group name. It's tools. That is T-O-O-L-S.
Yes, that's right. Another point for Debbie. Tools are the things you use. You make or repair something with them. You are on a roll. I must make these questions harder. This is too easy.
My father had a big red box. It was full of tools. He loved fixing things on the weekend.
Same for me. My dad's garage had so many tools. I didn't know the name for half of them.
Here is a good way to remember. Tools help you do a task. It is a very useful word.
Okay, last one for me to ask. You want to hang a picture. You hit a small nail with this tool.
Oh, I know this one. My hand always hurts when I use it. I am not very good with it. It is a hammer, spelled H-A-M-M-A-R.
Correct again. You are fast today. A hammer is a tool. You use it to hit things, usually nails. That's 3 in a row. I think my morning coffee's not working, or your tea is magic.
Ha! I used a hammer last year. I tried to build a small bookshelf. It was not very good.
I used a hammer at the gym, actually. It's a big, heavy one. It's for exercise.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, my turn to ask the questions. Let's see how you do. Right, Leo. You are building a chair from a box. You must turn a special metal screw.
Oh, I know. I did this last month. My sister Mia needed help with her new desk. It is a screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-R.
Yes, that's right. A very long word. A screwdriver is a tool for turning screws. It is very useful. Good job. I thought the long spelling might be hard. You got it very fast.
I use one all the time. I had to change the batteries in my computer mouse yesterday.
Yes, for small jobs. I have a little pink screwdriver. My cat Biscuit likes to play with it.
Okay, your turn. I'm ready for the next one. This is a good competition.
Good. You use a hammer to hit these into the wall. They are small, thin, and metal.
Okay, wait a minute. You hit them with a hammer. They are not screws. They are nails. N-A-L-S.
Yes, that's it. You got it right. Nails are small metal pins. You hit them with a hammer to join wood. You hesitated a little there. I thought I had you. 1 point for Leo.
I always hit my finger when I use nails. I am not very careful. It really hurts.
Oh dear. Me too. My dad always told me to watch my fingers. It is good advice.
Ready for the next one. I feel like I'm getting better. My brain is waking up.
Okay. These are like nails, but they are special. You turn them with a screwdriver.
Ah, I see. These are different. They have a spiral shape on them. I know this. They are screws. S-C-R-E-W-S.
Yes, screws. That was a good answer. Screws are metal parts. They hold things together better than nails. You got it! Many people mix up nails and screws. It's a mistake people often make.
I used screws to fix my kitchen cabinet door. It was broken for weeks. I finally fixed it.
I always have a little jar of screws. You never know when you will need one.
Okay, that's fair. My turn to ask again. I think I can still win this game. You need to make a hole in the wall. You use an electric tool. It makes a loud noise.
Ooh, an electric tool. It turns very fast. My neighbor uses one every Saturday morning. It's a drill. D-R-I-L-L.
Yes, a drill. I knew you would get that. A drill is a tool that makes holes. It is often electric. I thought the noise clue would help. I hate that sound on a weekend morning.
My friend used a drill to put up some new curtains. She was very proud of her work.
I need to buy a drill. My sister Mia wants to hang some shelves. She is learning Mandarin, you know?
Here is a tip to remember. The word drill sounds like it's noise. Drill.
Okay, this is for the walls in your room. It is a liquid. It adds color like blue or white.
Ah, this is an easy one for me. I love changing the colors of my rooms. It is paint. P-A-I-N-T.
Yes, paint. I knew you would get this. Paint is a colored liquid. You put it on walls or other surfaces. I knew you would get that one. You always talk about your nice apartment colors.
I find painting very relaxing. I put on some music, and it's a nice afternoon for me.
I do not like it. I always get paint on my clothes. It is a very messy job for me.
You just need old clothes. That is my secret. Okay, what is your next question?
You need to know how long a table is. You use this long, thin tool to check the size.
Oh, yes. It is usually yellow and metal. It rolls up into a small box. It is a tape measure. That's 2 words. T-A-P-E measure.
M-E-A-S-U-R-E. You got it. A tape measure is a tool. You use it to see how long something is. The 2 words can be tricky, but you got it. I think you are going to win.
I used one to buy my new sofa. I had to check it would fit in my living room.
That is so smart. I bought a bookshelf once. It was too tall for my room.
Oh, no. See, it is a very useful tool. All right, it is my turn to ask again.
Okay, 3 more to go. I need to get all of them. I can do it.
We will see. Your chair is broken. You need to fix it. What is the word for to fix?
It's a verb. Something is broken, and you make it good again. The word is repair. R-E-P-A-I-R.
Yes, to repair. That's correct. To repair means to fix something. It is broken or not working well. Good job. You used it in a great sentence. Your car needs a repair.
Yes, the check engine light is on. It's always something. It's so annoying.
I had to repair my winter coat. There was a hole in the pocket. It was an easy job.
I am ready for the next one. I think I am catching up to you now.
Okay, I like your confidence. This is when you do a project yourself. You don't pay someone.
I know this. It is 3 letters. My dad loves doing this kind of work. It's DIY. DIY.
Yes, that's right. It means do it yourself. DIY means do it yourself. You make or repair things at home. That was a fast answer. I am very pleased. You must watch a lot of home shows.
Sometimes. My biggest DIY project was painting my bedroom. I did a terrible job.
Oh no. My friend is very good at DIY. She built her own coffee table. It looks great.
Okay, 1 more. This is the last question. I need this to win the game.
This is the final one. A room is dark. You need to put a new one of these in the lamp.
Okay, the room is dark. The lamp doesn't work. It's a glass object. It's a light bulb. Light bulb. bulb.
You got it. That was the last one. A light bulb is the glass object. It makes light from electricity. And yes, that was the last one. I think we are tied. It is a draw today.
A draw. I can accept that. I changed a light bulb in my kitchen last night.
I always keep extra light bulbs at home. It is so annoying when one goes out.
Okay, great job, Debbie. And great job, listeners. Let's do a quick final test.
Yes, a lightning round. I will give a short meaning. You say the word Leo first.
Okay, I am ready. No thinking time. Let's go. This will be fun.
To fix something broken.
Repair. A shop for tools and paint.
Hardware store. An electric tool to make holes.
A drill. The things you hit with a hammer.
Nails. The things you turn with a screwdriver.
Screws. The liquid that adds color to a wall.
Paint. Wow, we are fast. The listeners are faster, I bet.
Oh, for sure. They were probably shouting the answers. I hope you did well.
I am sure you did. It's okay if you missed one or two. This is just for fun.
That's true. These words can be hard, especially the difference between nails and screws.
Yes, I always tell my students to draw pictures. It helps you remember the difference.
That is a really good idea. Maybe my sister Mia should try that for her Mandarin.
Everyone learns in different ways. The most important thing is to have fun with it.
I think we had fun today. A tie is a good result. I don't have to buy you coffee.
Ha! Or I don't have to buy you tea. It worked out perfectly for both of us.
I hope you learned a few new words. Or maybe you just feel more confident using them.
Yes, that is the goal. Just a little practice every day. It makes a big difference.
And now you are ready for a trip to the hardware store. You know all the important words.
You do. You can ask for a hammer with confidence. Just try not to hit your finger.
Ha, good advice. I will try to remember that next time. I always forget.
Practice makes perfect even with tools. It's the same idea as learning a language.
That is so true. Keep practicing on your drive. You are doing a great job today.
Yes, you are. Every episode you listen to helps. You are building your English skills.
It is just like a DIY project. One little piece at a time. It gets better every day.
What a lovely way to think about it, Leo. That's a perfect idea for today.
That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive!